I'm going to walk you through the sample observation form. This form can be completed on the mobile app or on the web app, but for this example, we'll focus on the mobile app. You can download Mapistry's mobile app from any Apple or Android app store, and you'll just use your normal credentials to log in. You'll be taken to this first page where you'll see your site's name. If you have multiple sites, you'll see those names listed below as well. Click into your site, and you'll be taken to your site's dashboard. So you'll see all of your action items as well as any other inspections. I'm going to search for our sample observation form. This form is separated into two different sections. You have the July through December section and then the January through June section. I'm going to click into the July through December section. I'm going to click on inspection 1 because I'm doing my first inspection for this part of the year. This is my inspection section. I have all my section headers here, and then I can do this caret to see any additional subsections I have. Click on one of the names to just jump right into the form. It'll auto-populate with the current date and time, which is awesome because that means you can take this app out and do your inspections while you're sampling during a qualified storm event. But if you do need to change it, just click on the date or the time to change that. Add your signature and press save and continue. You can change your pH method by clicking on that caret. So if we wanted to click pH meter, we can change it to pH meter and add the calibration date and time. But for this one, we'll stick to litmus paper. We'll press save and continue. We're going to be taken to our first sample location, so SP-1 is our first sample location. It'll, again, auto-populate with the current time, but by clicking on it, you can change it. So maybe we did it a little earlier. You can add your pH. So for this one, my pH is going to be 8. And then you can conduct your observation. So do you smell any odors? Do you see any floating materials? Go through this list and press yes if you do see anything that is selected no for. So if I see trash and debris, I'll select yes. And then I'm going to take a photo of my litmus paper. So I have my makeshift litmus paper here. I'm just going to take a photo of it and add it to my inspection form. You can always update the photo's name and add a description, but for this example, we'll just save and continue. Let's say it's only discharging from one sample location. To remove the next sample location, I'm just going to hit this trash can. It'll say, are you sure you want to delete? We're sure, so we're going to press delete. And I'm going to move on to my next section. So this section is focused on non-storm water discharge. If you have any non-storm water discharge, select yes, and then some additional questions will appear which you can click through. I'm going to go back to saying no. I'm going to press save and continue. And now we'll see any other non-compliance issues. If we're all good here, we can just press save and continue. If we have any notes here, we can add them here, or we can press save and continue. Now you'll see the inspection form is totally complete. We have green check marks all the way through. It says inspection complete at the bottom, and we can even double check that by going to the Mapistry dashboard. All right, on the Mapistry dashboard, we're just going to refresh really fast. And then we're going to see this green check mark for July through December. Click into it. We'll see the signature. We'll see that we removed one sample location, so now we only have this SP one. And then we have my photo that I added. And so now we know that this observation is completed.